The Rolling Stones and Oasis unexpectedly crossed paths on Friday night when members of both legendary bands gathered at the same venue for two separate celebrity events. Mick Jagger marked his 82nd birthday in grand fashion by hosting a glamorous celebration at the Rex Rooms, a private club co-owned by Jason Momoa, Mark Jacques Burton, and Jason McNabb. The event brought together a mix of rock icons and celebrities, with fellow Rolling Stones member Ronnie Wood joining the festivities alongside notable guests such as Sacha Baron Cohen and Jimmy Carr. Mick's former wives and children were also present for the occasion. In an unexpected twist, the Gallagher family also found themselves at the same location, having reserved a room for an Oasis after-party. Following Noel and Liam Gallagher's first London performance together in 16 years, their sons, Lennon, 25, and Jean, 24, headed to the Rex Rooms to continue the celebrations. For his birthday soiree, Mick opted for a stylish ensemble, donning a white silk shirt, black trousers, and a black jacket with a polka dot pattern. He was accompanied by his fiancée, Melanie Hamrick, who showcased a glamorous look in a sparkly black mini dress, paired with pointed heels and a matching handbag. The couple, who have been together since 2014, share an 8-year-old son, Devereaux, Mick's 8th child. Also present was Mick's daughter, Georgia May, who exuded elegance in a strappy black dress featuring a side slit. She completed her look with sleek heels and arrived with her partner, skateboarder Cambrian Sedlick. Ronnie Wood brought a splash of color to the party, wearing a blue t-shirt adorned with butterfly motifs, paired with navy trousers and a beige blazer. He carried a bright pink gift bag labeled Happy Birthday, clearly arriving ready to celebrate with his longtime bandmate. Ronnie and his wife Sally appeared as affectionate as ever, arriving arm in arm for the star-studded affair. Several of Mick's former wives also joined in the celebration. Jerry Hall, the mother of Georgia May, Elizabeth, James, and Gabriel, was seen in a refined black silk mini dress and cardigan, smiling widely throughout the evening. She was accompanied by her daughter-in-law, Anouk Winzenreed, Gabriel's wife, who wore a stylish black and white striped button-up dress. Elizabeth looked fashionable as well, attending with her mother in a white lace top and patterned trousers. Luciana Gimenez, who had a brief relationship with Mick during his marriage to Jerry Hall that resulted in the birth of their son Lucas, also made an appearance. She later posted cheerful photos on social media of herself and Lucas celebrating Mick's milestone birthday.